Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find referral code on Temu. Alright, so let's begin. To find your referral code on the Temu app, first open the Temu application and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, tap on the U button. Here, you'll see several different options available. From these options, simply select Play and Earn. This will take you to the Play and Earn section. Now, you'll see an offer where you can claim a free gift. Go ahead and tap on the Claim Free button and you'll be taken to the next page. Here, you'll first need to spin the wheel to receive your gift. Simply spin the wheel and wait for the result. After spinning the wheel, you'll see some additional options on your screen. If you don't want to use these options, simply skip them. Once you've completed this step, you'll be taken to the next page. From here, look for the Invite User option and tap on it. You will now see several options for sharing your referral link. Simply copy your referral link and send it to your friend. Once your friend signs up for the Temu app using your referral link, you will receive the free gift associated with the referral offer, and that's it. So that's basically how you can find referral code on Temu. So that's all for this video.